What's going on, man? So I think we're live on YouTube right now too. So if you want to go to YouTube, Iron Man Trading, I think we're live on there. So if you want to go on to Iron Man Trading on YouTube, we're live there, and we'll do some analysis. The FTMO killer. Yeah, we passed another one. So, but we're live on YouTube right now, Iron Man Trading. We're gonna get off here and go on there. We're doing some analysis right now. I don't know, I just got tired of being in other people's streams and not being able to do what I want to do, so we'll open up mine again, and we'll pass another FTMO challenge today, which will make it 3 in a row, which will be good. So, but go jump on YouTube, Iron Man Trading on YouTube. Just the buys I've been in for a long time. So, but Iron Man Trading on YouTube, we're there right now. Just started it up, and take some trades, make some money, have some fun. Hey there, can you hear me? Can you hear me on the stream? Yeah, I'll talk to you about that here this morning. We should be good to go on that basis. But can you guys hear me on the YouTube? You can hear me? Yeah, YouTube, Iron Man Trading on YouTube. I just want to make sure everybody can hear me. Oh, sweet. Okay. You're on both. All right, well, I'm going to turn off Instagram and go to YouTube here. So we'll see you guys on YouTube, Iron Man Trading on YouTube. Go there. It'll be beautiful. Iron Man Trading on YouTube. Thank you very much. So it's 25 minutes till the closing of the next candle too. So we'll go over there to Iron Man Trading. We'll talk to you later. Rosier, my algorithm is passing FTMO for people. My algorithm is passing FTMO accounts for people. Yes, that's true. Okay, let's go to gold. Okay, my algorithm is passing FTMO challenges for people. There is no reason, I know people are talking about selling gold right now. There is no reason to be selling gold right now. If you're selling gold, you are moving in front of a moving train. You're trying to sell in front of a moving train. There's no right now justification for selling gold. Is there anything in these candles that you see on this 1 hour chart that would justify gold sells? Is there anything in these candles right now that would justify gold sells? To me, there isn't. Why would you even think about selling gold when every candle you look at right now, and especially the candle it's forming, is a bullish candle? Why would you sell gold? But you got a lot of people saying to sell gold because they just don't understand price action. They don't understand how to read charts. There's no reason. Now you may end up selling, but I'm not going to sell. This candle we have right now that's forming is actually the pattern I look for, and it's starting to come down a little bit. But that's the candle I look for buys. But I wouldn't buy yet either. I would have to wait for a 1 hour candle close. But you passed 1824, right? You broke that. The next level is 1831, and I think we get there today. Now it may come down first too. Do you follow me on Instagram? Do you follow me on Instagram? Or you can just go straight to our website, and I'll show you the website. Let's see here. Or you can just go straight to the website, marketwizards.group, and you can come here. You get all the information on Jarvis there. Okay, you can get all the information on Jarvis there. If I go to my account, because I have an account, I log into my account, and then I can say my account. So there's the testing on Jarvis there. So you sign up for an account there, and then you okay, and then you go to download and files, and there's where you download your Jarvis. All right. So that's how you do it. I gotta sneeze, excuse me. That's how you do it. Go to marketwizards.group. You sign up for an account there, and you sign up for the subscription. Yeah, I mean, you can do it if it retraces back down to 1824 or something like that, and then gives you the signal. Then absolutely, you can buy it. Yeah. See, I would buy it again if I have this pattern here that has a tail longer than the body of the candle, because it came up, broke this level, and then rejected this level. I could buy again if this 1 hour candle closes with that tail longer than the body. Does that make sense? So I could buy again, then my first target will be the next red level right there at 1831, and then if it breaks 1831, you just go to the next target. But I could buy it again in 19 minutes if that candle closes the way it's looking right now. But I have to wait for that. But if it does, you better believe I'll be buying it. Rejections of key levels. Yeah, absolutely. And that candle that has a tail at the bottom longer than the body of the candle signifies that sellers tried to push down and weren't able to push down, so buyers are coming into the market. But again, I can't do it unless the 1 hour candle closes. So, but you can be guaranteed that if that candle closes like that, I will be doing it. It's really simple. It's not difficult. Pretty simple. It doesn't have to be complicated, right? People like to make trading complicated. I don't know, because I would never use a moving average. Maybe it works for some people. You'll never see indicators on my charts. No, it has not, Roser. I've failed the FTMO challenge before, but no, officially Jarvis has not. I wouldn't know about moving averages because I would rather get kicked in the balls than use any indicators. I don't like indicators. I think they're a waste of time. They're lagging. They lag price, so by the time the indicators tell you to do something, the move is already well in play. So I don't use indicators. You'll never see indicators on my charts, ever. Like I said, I'd rather get kicked in the balls than use them. And maybe someday I will. Maybe someday that'll happen. But for me, I would rather get kicked in the balls. That's just me. So here the US30, we have a really nice 1 hour sell pattern on the US30 as well that's forming. And if it were to close like this, I would definitely sell the US30 right now. So you're going to have a couple different options, possibly buying gold or selling the US30 once this 1 hour candle closes here in 17 minutes. So I'll stay on for that and then get off because I could care less about YouTube. But you can go to that site, or you can DM me on Instagram, and I can get you the information. And if it fails your FTMO challenge, you just get your money back for that you purchased Jarvis for the monthly. So if you've purchased Jarvis and it fails your FTMO challenge, you just get your money back. So there's my IG right there, Iron Man Futures Trading. If you don't follow me there, it's beautiful. So the pattern for me is on this is I'm looking for a sell right now on the US30 because it has that wick at the top that's longer than the body of the candle. Okay, pretty simple, right? And we'll just go here because I'll show you guys this other FTMO account that was just passed. When I woke up this morning, it was passed. And I'll show it to you right here. So we just passed another FTMO challenge this morning. When I woke up, it was passed. It was very nice. So we'll go to the terminal here, view terminal. There you see the balance on it, and there you see how long it took to pass it. So it took about a week. Started out at 10,000. And passed. So there you go. It trades all the time. You can turn it off, but it trades all the time. And it also will get out of trades before the weekend because on FTMO accounts, even though I have new ones now, you have to be out of the trades during the weekend and it won't trade during news. So, but there it is right there. There's proof again. FTMO account passed. Passed. No, it trades 12 different markets. I'm not even sure what the list is anymore. It trades 12 different ones. It doesn't just trade gold and US30. It trades the Aussie 200. It trades the NAS 100. It trades GJ. It trades several different markets. But there's the proof right there. You don't need any other proof than that, do you? Pretty simple. Pretty simple. And we'll pass another one today. There will be another one today that will get passed as well. So that will be fun to pass another one. It will be fun to pass another one. What's up, baby? Huh? I need some socks. What was that? Anyways, that was the wife asking if she can come in. So anyway, we'll be taking this trade here in a minute if it ends up. The EA is paid weekly. No, you pay once a month for the EA. If that's your question, the EA, you pay once a month for it. It's $199 a month. But in the first 30 days, if you don't pass the FTMO challenge, you get that back. But no, it's not weekly. I don't know if that was exactly your question, but. And no, it doesn't just trade those two. It trades a couple of different ones. So we will wait for this candle close here, and then we'll See if we take a trade. Since we already passed this one, we're not going to take a trade in this one. We're going to take a trade in this one because this is the one we got to pass. Yes, it's monthly. Oh, that's fine. It's paid monthly. Paid monthly. So the reason we wait for the 1 hour candle close is we want to make sure that we don't want that we don't want the tail at the bottom if we're going to sell. So the reason we do this is we want to make sure that it doesn't have a tail. Right now it has a little bit of a tail, so we don't want to do that one at this point, unless in the next 10 minutes we get that. And this is what the EA is based on. It's based on this pattern that we're talking about. It's based on buying with a wick, buying with a tail longer than the body, and selling with a wick that's longer than the body. That's what the EA or the algorithm is based on. It's based on 17 years of my trading. And it places trades based on this pattern that we're talking about right now. And that's pretty cool. To me it is, at least. I don't know, maybe it's not. But it's passing FTMO challenges left and right now. No, I'm not gifted like that. I didn't program it. It's based on my strategy, but I didn't program it. A good friend of mine programmed it for me because he's good at that stuff and I'm not good at that stuff. So I didn't program it, but it's based on, excuse me, it's based on my trading. But no, I didn't program it. I don't know anything about that kind of stuff. So I pay people that know about that stuff and are good at that stuff, and I do what I'm good at, which is trading. But no, I didn't code it or anything. I don't know how to do that stuff. And I think we are getting that signal on the US30 here. We're 8 minutes away, but we are getting that sell signal on the US30. Like, I almost want to cheat, but I shouldn't. I shouldn't cheat. You shouldn't cheat. Cheating is not a good idea, but I almost want to. I can do a lot of things though in that last hour. Can do a lot of different things. But we're going to get ready to sell it here. I have it ready. Yep. Yep. You are correct. Correct, you are. Ooh, it's looking like it might be a sell. And gold keeps going up because like we talked about, there's no reason to be selling gold. You're crazy if you're selling gold right now. You're crazy if you're selling gold right now. Yep, so get your FTMO account, subscribe to the unlimited Jarvis, and then let it run. Yes, sir. Well, if it doesn't retrace, you just wait for it to break the next level, right? Let's go to gold for a minute. We have some time. Your next level on gold is the one we talked about at 1831.90. Which is the high from July 16th, right? So if it doesn't give us a chance to break to 1824, at that point, then you have to wait for it to, excuse me, you have to wait for it to come up to 1831, break above 1831, and pull back to 1831 for a buy then, right? Or the 1824 level, you can still buy, but if it doesn't, it just goes straight up. Then you wait for a break above 1831 and pull back to that, to the next level. And then the next level, if you break 1831, you would have to go to the 4-hour chart. Next level is, man, look at that next level. If you go to the 4-hour chart, there's a lot of room. There's a lot of room, right? Look at that. There's a lot of room after you get past 1831 on the 4-hour chart. There's a lot of room in here to go above your next area. It might be, I mean, there's a lot of room. Well, if I'm looking on the daily chart, it's possibly 1844 after that. But there's not a lot of areas there. 1845, yeah. I think possibly 1896, which is the highs up here, right? Because you're just going, after that, you're just going to the next major. There's one right there at 1856 from this level right here, right? That one right there. But there's not a lot of areas if it breaks that. Not a lot of area. Oh, you guys can't see that. Let me do something here. But just go to your June 3rd low of 1855 on June 3rd. So there's basically the point is there's a lot of wiggle room after this area here for it to go up higher. Okay. A lot of room. Let's go back to the US30. And right now I would not do anything on the US30 because that candle now has both a tail and a wick. And you can see it's moving up. So I would not be taking a sell on the US30. I would have to wait for another candle close in the next hour. Pretty simple. It's not hard trading. So anyway, so that's about it, guys. I'm gonna head out because I don't like just hanging out on YouTube all the time. I hate YouTube, to be honest with you. So if you want to get a hold of me about the EA Ironman trading, futures trading on IG, you can get a hold of me there. Otherwise, because I don't think there's anything, let's just check the charts again real quick. Yeah, there's nothing that I would take right now based on what I look for. 1 minute to go, so I'm going to end it today. Everyone have a good day, and I'll be around. You can get a hold of me.